Loser, Carlos buy the new car. It's very expensive car. It's huge, red and fast car. It's 5 o'clock and Carlos is driving down the street. At the same time, Alan is riding his motorcycle in San Francisco and comes to a stoplight. A red Ferrari pulls up next to him. The driver wearing dark sunglasses and looks up at Alan. Alan looks at him and realizes that the driver is Carlos. Carlos sneers at Alan. He says, "When the light turns green, let's race." Alan says, "All right, you're on." Carlos says, "I'm gonna smoke you, sucker." Alan says, "You wish. I'm gonna beat you and your sorry ass car." Alan and Carlos wait at the light. They rev the engine. Vroom, vroom. Suddenly, the light turns green. Alan and Carlos take off. They zoom down Venice at top speed. Carlos is winning. But suddenly, blue and red lights appear behind Carlos. It's the police. They pull him over. Alan zooms past Carlos, laughing. He yells, "Better luck next time." Alan is the winner. The race ends. Carlos driving home. Suddenly, he sees a girl on a bicycle. She has long blonde hair and is beautiful. He thinks, "Maybe I was a loser." He yells to her, "What's up?" She ignores him. He yells, "How's it going?" She keeps going and ignores him. He yells, "Hey, why won't you talk to me? I want to go to dinner with you. I'll take you to an expensive restaurant." The girl turns, gets off the bike, and looks at him. She says, "I don't want to go to dinner, but if you give me your car, I'll give you a surprise." Carlos says, "Okay." He jumps out the car, gives her the keys, and says, "Here's the key." The beautiful blonde takes the key, and then kisses Carlos on the cheek. Then she jumps into the car and drives away. Carlos stands on the sidewalk. Now he has no car and no girl. He says, "That's it. Just a kiss on the cheek." "Oh my God!" Sadly, he gets on her bike and drives home.